How to survive longer in Snake Rivals. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, open the application. Now here, tap on this play icon and here select the mode that you want to play. So the game has started now. Now I'm going to show you how you can survive longer. So the best method is always running away from the bigger snakes because you always have disadvantages to it. So the another method is by adding different boosts inside the gameplay. You'll be able to find different boosts that are available in the game. So try finding them and always run away from bigger snakes because when you even get near them, there's a big disadvantage to you. So running away, collecting all these apples and using the boost will make you survive longer in this gameplay. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.